Hi, do you want to know how LLMs can remember things workspace-wide in FlowHunt? Well, let me show you. Hi, my name is Arshia, and today I'm showing you how our new feature, Memory, works. Super quick and simple. So, the first thing you see when you come into the dashboard down here is Memory, and you can see it's in beta. So if you were to click on that, you would open this. This is your categories. So when you click on a category, you can see all these are different memory nodes. So on each of these nodes, there's a specific information that is stored. Okay, now what's the difference between, say, memory and chat history? So when you have chat history, the flow is going to remember everything that happened in this specific session, right? But if you were to restart the chat, that's it. Memory wiped. The chatbot is not going to remember anything anymore. It's going to add it to a memory. Now I'm going to show you what the setup looks like. So you can see it lists all the memory hierarchy, and then it adds to the memory. Your name is Arshia. I remember that for future reference. Perfect, thank you. And so if you were to go to memory, by default, this is set to read only, right? So if you want to add new memories, you have to go to read/write. And memory category, you always have to have one selected. If you don't see anything because it's the first time you're implementing memory, you can add a new category down here and then give it a name and a color and then just create. And then you have to select the one that you've created, right? Because without a category, it doesn't know where to store the memory, and it's going to result in an error. So yeah, that's our brand new memory feature. And now that we know what my name is, and if we just restart it and say, what's my name? It's still going to remember because it's now stored in the memory. So it's going to now ideally search in the memory hierarchy, find the information that's related to my name, and then give it to me. Your name is Arshia. So yeah, if you have any questions on what you can do with this memory and how it can help you in FlowHunt, make sure to leave a comment down below. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day.